In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enhance your Canva project by using the star feature. Whether you're working on graphics for a presentation, a social media post, or any creative project you might have, mastering simple features like this one can really make a difference. Let's dive right in and start by going to your Canva project. If you're not already familiar, Canva is a versatile design tool that's quite intuitive, making it easy for both beginners and seasoned designers to create stunning visuals. So open up your web browser, navigate to your Canva dashboard, and get ready to follow along with me. Now, to use and effectively leverage the star feature, you'll want to head over to an element that you find crucial to your design and would like to access quickly in the future. For today's demonstration, we're going to focus on finding a star element, but keep in mind this could really be any element you're working with. Once you've located that key element, move your cursor over to it. You'll notice that when you hover over this element, 3 small dots will appear. Those dots signify additional options, and this is where Canva's star feature comes into play. Click on these 3 dots and a menu will appear. Here you'll see the option to star the element. What the star feature does is it essentially bookmarks this particular element for you, making it much easier to see and access later on. This is particularly handy when you have a design with multiple elements and you want to quickly locate one without having to search through a cluttered workspace. This same feature can also be applied to templates, which is a fantastic way to organize your favorite starting points for future projects or commonly used designs. Remember, efficient navigation within Canva can save you a lot of time and effort, especially if you're someone who regularly juggles multiple projects. And just like that, you're done. You've successfully used the star feature to make elements in your project more manageable and accessible. This small yet powerful tool in Canva is designed to boost your productivity and enhance your workflow. I hope you found this guide straightforward and helpful. By integrating these little tips and tricks into your design process, you'll find yourself working more efficiently and creatively. Thanks for joining me in today's video, and be sure to check out other tutorials if you're eager to learn more about getting the most out of Canva. Happy designing!